Saab. For many, just the mention of Saab is synonymous with quirky aircraft-inspired Swedish design and tough, rugged Scandinavian engineering. And yet, there is one Saab that on the face of it breaks the mould, the Saab 9.3 1.9 TiD. Its engine is in fact a Fiat multijet used in the Fiat Stilo and Bravo, as well as the Alfa Romeo 147, 156 and 159 of era. The same engine can also be found in a number of Vauxhall Opel variants. Does this mean then that Saab somehow lost its way? Reportedly, the Fiat-produced engine is a capable and robust engine, and documented forum posts for enthusiasts show a number of these engines achieving more than 300,000 miles, due principally to regular and thorough maintenance. The Saab 9.3 1.9 TiD was produced from 2002 to 2011 and still has a steady enthusiast following. With its fighter jet inspired night panel light, orthopedic seats, centre console ignition to prevent knee injuries during a front end collision, and its clever mechanical dash mounted cup holder, it's not hard to see Saab's smart and thoughtful design features permeating this car. Of course, we've not even mentioned Saab's solid safety credentials, including its innovative ELK safety test, but that's perhaps best reserved for another time.